Hello, I'm going to try to record a quick video for you guys to get some insight on how to classify your angles prior to measuring them with a protractor, so that way that you know what the angle of measurement should be and you know which line of measurement you're looking at. So if we look at a protractor really quick, we can see that both ways when you measure, if the numbers are going down, they go down to 90, or up, they go up to 90. 90 degrees is always going to be the squared angle. So we all know that 90 degrees is going to be a square angle, and we all know that only 90 degrees can be a 90-degree angle. Where we have to really concentrate is when an angle is an acute angle or an obtuse angle. When we have an acute angle and we look at it with a protractor, we have to make sure the end point of our ray is right inside of this little straight line on the protractor. So when I get my line straight inside, then I can look and see where my ray goes through my protractor. So you can see if you follow this ray from the end point on to where it measures on the protractor, it comes right about here. Okay, so what I'm noticing is right there where the ray is, oops, messed it up a little bit. I could either measure this between 40 and 50 degrees or between 140 and 30 degrees. But we see that this is an acute angle. What do we know about an acute angle? It has to be less than 90 degrees. So when I'm looking on the protractor, I'm going to use the measurements that are less than 90 degrees. So I can clearly see that this angle will measure right at 45 degrees. Okay, so let's look at an obtuse angle. Here's my obtuse angle. It's more than 90 degrees. It's larger than 90 degrees, so it's an obtuse angle. So I'm going to set my protractor so that my end point is right there in the little pinhole of the protractor. Then I'm going to look and see where my ray goes. So my one ray is flat along with the 0. My other ray goes past 90 degrees, bigger than 90 degrees, right over here. So for this ray, I know it's obtuse. It's more than 90 degrees. So when I look at those measurements, I'm going to be using the measurements that are more than 90 degrees. So we know that's 90, we're going to go bigger, so we're going to use the bottom set of measurements on this protractor. And we can see that this angle, the ray goes directly through 130 and 140. So we're going to call that 135 degrees. All right, if you have any questions, post on the newsfeed on eClass, and I can either call you at home or we can type to each other on eClass, okay? Hope this helped. Bye.